dust collector. We've got two control boxes. The one on the left is for the shaker unit that's built in that shakes the bags. And we're going to initiate that, and that literally, that's just shaking the bags that are mounted across the top of the unit. And depending on how full it is, before we start it up, you know, we'll let it shake, you know, maybe 2, 3, no, you know, no more, no sense of doing no more than 5 minutes. We'll shut the shaker off, and then the main motor box over here. Now we're ready to commence dust collection.